Catherine and I managed to spend the weekend on this bathroom renovation job. As you can see, we've gone quite a long way. Kind of debating on how to document the process. I think I'm just going to make a whole bunch of short before and after videos and put them in a playlist. I think that's going to be the best thing. But as you can see, ironically, the thing that I was going to do on the first day, which was remove the shower and the shower tray, still hasn't been done. But, you know, it's a journey. We'll get there. We have hundreds, if not thousands, of these little nails to remove. Today was a blue pry bar kind of day, but you can see I'm still going to have to get up there with the wires, finish off the ones that wouldn't pop out. Not too many, but like I said, about 20%. Next, I've got to get rid of this thing. The problem that we have is that it's attached from underneath and the clearance underneath is way too small for me. And you can see, not just me, pretty sure that's why somebody cut a hole in the floor so they could get under there to do the plumbing. Anyway, I think I can lift it up with a crowbar and then get under there to undo it. So I'm going to give that a crack. Great success! That worked a whole lot better than I thought it was going to be honest. Last time I tried to lift that basin up, it was kind of stuck there, but yeah, without its surrounds, it came up really easy. Didn't want to come off the end of its pipe, but it did in the end, so victory! Not a heap of progress, but progress all the same. We took up the little access hatch that had been created many years ago, got the shower pan removed, and all the little nails are gone. We've got the plumber coming tomorrow to advise us on the next steps. Until then, thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.